If you're missing multiple teeth that span in the same arch or in the same area, what we can do is do an implant bridge. As you can see, we have multiple implants in that area that you don't have teeth, and we place some connected crowns in that area so that you don't have that gap, and now you have restored function in that area and you can eat. That's what we want to do with these back molars and this back area. So again, if you're missing those teeth, we assess, we can place multiple implants, put your crown, and there you have it. You have that smile back and your function back. So if you are missing multiple teeth and you want to get that fixed or see what options are for you, please contact our office to see if mini dental implants is the right choice for you.